Hello guys, today we are not cooking. Today I'm going to make a traditional Chilean drink. They make it for Christmas, like here in the United States. It's very famous to have the eggnog, okay? It's about the same thing, okay? The difference, this has no eggs in it, okay? It's very popular in Chile for Christmas to have this and have it with a piece of, they call it pan de Pascua, is panettone, okay? My sons, they love it, so that's why I'm making this recipe, so they can have it in a video, okay? Every year I make it for them. The ingredients. I have 4 quarts regular milk, 3 cups granulated sugar, 4 cinnamon sticks, 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. I had 12 whole cloves, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Please use a good vanilla extract. This I have like a 3/4 cups espresso coffee, 900 milliliters Aguardiente. You guys cannot find Aguardiente, you guys can use vodka. And this is optional, okay? I like to add 3/4 cups rum, okay? And what we're going to be doing right now, I'm going to boil the milk with the sugar, cinnamon sticks, nutmeg, and cloves. After that is, we'll let it be cold. I'm going to add the liquor, coffee, and vanilla extract. Okay, so here we have the milk with 4 quarts of milk, 3 cups of sugar, 4 cinnamon sticks, 12 whole cloves, 1/4 teaspoon nutmeg, and now when the a moderate heat, I'm gonna almost boil the milk, okay? Be careful because you don't want to have a mess all over the stove. Once in a while I mix the milk. I don't want the sugar to be stick at the bottom, just in case, okay? And I use a thermometer. The milk will start boiling at 1212 degrees. I don't want to be cleaning the mess on top of the stove if it boils over. Okay, the milk was almost boiling. The milk start rising because of the high temperature. So I turn it off the heat. Now I'm going to let it cool off. Now I will, in this pot here, large pot, I will add the aguardiente, the rum, vanilla extract, I'm going to strain the milk into it, mix it all together. Now I will add the espresso coffee. I mix it together and I'm going to fill up the bottles. And on each bottle I'm going to stick in a piece of a cinnamon stick. Now I will start filling it up the bottles with the drink. Well, my friends, this is what we got. I got 4 bottles, Cola Mono, a typical Chilean drink that is made for Christmas time. Well, we wish you guys a Merry Christmas. We wish a Merry Christmas to the family or friends, everybody. We have a drink for you guys with my beautiful wife, Juanita. Cheers.
Cheers.
And of course, this it has to go with pan de Pascua or panettone. That's typical way to have a drink and pan de Pascua. Delicious. Okay, my friends, take care. We'll see you next time. Bye bye. This Colemono, I have been testing it and it tastes so good. It's great. And this with a piece of panettone comes out just perfect. Cheers. Okay, my friends, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.